Hey everyone, this is Tim from MIUI Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the talking voice or voice narration on your Xiaomi phone. So if this gets turned on by accident, you can turn it on by swiping from the top right and go to settings right here. Go all the way down to accessibility. So you can find accessibilities under additional options if you don't see it anywhere else. Then go to accessibilities. Then we can go on over to, we got vision, we got TalkBack right here. Off speak items on the screen. Turn it off right here. And then you can turn off the shortcut as well. Then we got hearing, nothing's under here, but turn off TalkBack and that should get rid of the voice narration on the screen now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.